Time now to take a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic Tuesday, and boy, it was a wet one. We've had a little bit of everything in the Wenatchee area, mainly snowfall, at least in the Wenatchee Valley, and just a little higher elevations picking up some good snow right now. This is actually our Lake Wenatchee Skyfire, I should say our tower cam up at Lake Wenatchee, and you can see the snow is falling, and we are picking up some good amounts of snow in the mountains, and that will continue. We're going to see moderate snow. In fact, Stevens Pass could see between 5 and 10 inches of snow tonight. Going to make for difficult travel. Also some tree damage. Power outages are possible. And then that rain, snow could turn to some freezing rain. We could see up to 1/4 of an inch of ice on the roadways for area passes. So keep that in mind if you're traveling tonight. We are still under a winter weather advisory. That will go until 4 a.m. on Wednesday morning, and it's basically right here in this purple circle. And here we are in Wenatchee, Chelan, and all points into western Chelan County. Driving conditions will be really tricky. Stevens Pass, also into Blewett Pass. Freezing rain, also a possibility for us. So this advisory will go until 4 a.m. tomorrow. Really, folks, if you don't have to travel tonight, please don't do it. And then as we get into Wednesday and the storm system moves through, it's going to drag some very gusty winds with it. In Wenatchee, we could see gusts between 35 and 40 miles an hour. Not quite as bad for Moses Lake or for Omak, but we are going to see it right here. Wenatchee Plain down into Ellensburg, and that's as that storm system moves through. We'll probably see a wind advisory when we talk again tomorrow. All right, today's high temperature unofficially right where we should be for this time of year, 33 degrees. We warmed up 1 whole degree throughout the day today. Our normal low is 24, by the way. Record high, 52 degrees. That was set in 1998. Record cold, and it was cold, 12 below zero back in 1964. We've picked up almost 1/4 of an inch of precipitation. That's without this updated precip that we had this afternoon, so we'll talk more about that tomorrow. But that gets us to just under 6.6 inches for the year, and we're about 6/10 below where we should be for this time of year. Picked up 3 more inches of snow yesterday, so going back into November, the 5 inches Friday night into Saturday morning, and then yesterday we're now at 11 inches of snow for the season. Sunrise 7:43, and the sun set this afternoon at 4:11. All right, temperatures as we get you into Wednesday, and look at this, a big warm up tomorrow. 47 in Moses Lake and Ephrata, 46 in Quincy, 44s for Wenatchee, Eniat, Chelan, and up into Omak. Lower 40s then in the upper valley. Lake Wenatchee, the cool spot at 40 degrees tomorrow. And that's all because we're going to see some windy conditions, and we'll talk about that in a second. Tonight we can expect evening rain and snow to continue, and then we'll just be mostly cloudy. I think this wet stuff will last until about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight, and then we'll see, well, not clearing, but the precipitation end. Mostly cloudy late, low 30s for low temperatures tonight. Getting into Wednesday, good chance that we're going to see some more morning rain and snow showers. Windy as well, with those 35 to 40 mile an hour gusts possible on Wednesday. It will warm up. We'll see highs in the mid 40s. It's all because of this strong southerly flow bringing that warmer air our way. Mostly cloudy for Thursday. It will be cooler than Wednesday, but still above normal with mid to upper 30s expected by Thursday afternoon. As we get you into the end of the week on Friday, mostly cloudy skies. Not a bad way to end our work week. Mild temperatures with afternoon highs around 40 on Friday. But look at all the activity in the Pacific. You know what that means for us on Saturday. Cloudy skies, not so much a rain event Saturday to start our weekend. I think most of the activity will be in western Washington and very light Saturday. Highs around 40 degrees. But by Sunday, that's where our chance for precip goes up. Cloudy skies, this area of low pressure nudges just a little bit closer to Washington State. That will bring us an 80% chance of rain mixed with snow. We might even see all no snow on Sunday. High temperatures then in the upper 30s. And then kicking off our Christmas week on Monday, morning rain and snow a possibility, mostly cloudy in the afternoon. And temperatures really not bad for this time of year. Monday's highs in the upper 30s. Taking a look now at your 7-day forecast. 32 overnight tonight. Looks like a dry day tomorrow after maybe a morning sprinkle or two. But look at that temperature, 44 degrees with a lot of wind on Wednesday. 37 and mostly cloudy Thursday. 40 with some clouds on Friday. And then back to the wet weather Saturday, Sunday, and Monday morning with high temperatures generally in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.